Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4? Today we'll solve from volume number 1, lesson number 5, topic 4, area models and partial products. We can use also distributive properties to find the answer between two numbers. If you want to find the product between two numbers, use model with math to solve problems, and you can use area models and properties, multiplication, lattice, commutative, and distributive property to find the answer. Look at with me about first question, solve and share. Playground is divided into 4 sections, showing in the diagram below. Find the area of playground, explain how you found the answer, solve the problem using any strategy you choose. You can drawing area models and properties of operations to model like multiplication, distributive properties between two numbers. We can write here 10 times 20 equal 200, 10 times 440, 8 times 20 equal 160, and 8 times 4 equal 32, and then find the sum of all areas. And the sum of all areas it will be 432. Okay, we have 200 plus 40 plus 160 plus 32. Okay, it's clear for you. Find the area of each one and then add together. Look back. Explain how you found area. The blue part. The same answer. We divided the part 4 sections and find the area of each one and then add together. The blue part is 8 feet by 20 feet. I used what I know about basic factors and the place value, and I multiplied it once times 2 teens, which is equal to 16 teens or 160 feet or square feet. This work, we can use big part strategy. Like this number, we have 25 times 15. We can divide it 25 or divide it 15 as you like. Put first and divide it second. First here 25, because the area of rectangle equal length times width, and 15 equal 10 times plus 5 times 25 equal to 150, and 5 times 25 is the answer here equal 125. And then we add together 225 plus 125. Like me, we use structure to find the answer. How does an area model the discussion distributive properties? You can use distributive properties. Area model shows the breaking parts of either both of factors and show what you multiply to get each of the partial products. Using distributive properties also. Like this number 24 times 23, we can write 24 equal 20 plus 4, and 23 equal 20 plus 3, and then product to find the area of each one together. Like this 30 times 20, we have the value of digit 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. 20 times 20 equal 400. 20 times 3 equals 60. And 4 times 3 equal 12. 4 times 20 equal 80. We can use also distributive properties about two numbers, 35 and 12. 35 equals 30 plus 5, and 12 10 plus 2. And then product to find the 4 areas and 8 together. The result will be 420. How can an area model and distributive property be used to multiply? Use 12 times 16 to explain. Area model can be used to break factors into tens and ones to make the calculations simple. Break 12 also 10 plus 2. Like this. Okay, this is 12 times 16. I can write here 10 plus 2. Product by 16, 10 plus 6. And then using distributive properties, 10 times 10 equal 100. 10 times 6 equals 60. 2 times 10 equal 20, and 2 times 6 equal 12, and then it together 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9, and then write 100 here. Find them, the result will be 192. Okay, next page. You can find the answer by yourself. Look at this example. We can find 18 times 25. We use also distributive properties. Use area models and divide the two numbers. We have 18 equal 10 plus 8, and 25 equal 20 plus 5. Okay, and then find 20 times 10, 200. 20 times 8, 160. 5 times 10, 50. 5 times 8, 40. And then collect the numbers. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And 60 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we have also 550. The answer will be 450. Or you can add together here, it will be 90. And 360. And then add together. Write 0. And 60 plus 9, 15. 5 and carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 450. 41 times 12. You can use this method also. 2 times 1, 2. And 2 times 4 equal 8. And then write 0. 1 is 18. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 4 equal 4. And then we can add together. 8 plus 1, 9. And write 4. 492. And also all these ones we can solve by this strategy. Any strategy to find the answer, but you must find the correct answer. Write 652,079 using number names and the expanded form. This number we called it 652,079. We write expanded form 600,000, 50,079, and also we have 2,000. Question number 12. Number since are estimated 23 times 43 using 20 times 40. Sam estimated 23 times 43 equal 25 times 40. Okay. They are correct. First, use approximating to the nearest tens, and second, using commanded number. Because 23 nearest to 25. Understood? Asked about estimate. Who used the estimation here? The first one. Estimate 23 to 20. And the second, using combined numbers. Then Sam's use the closer because 23 is nearest to 25. Factor 25 is close to 23. You know, 23 nearest to 20 or 25 nearest to 25. Understood? Then the exact result nearest to the action number, it will be same solution. Structure here, we will find the product between 25 and 24. We can write 25 times 24 using distributive properties like this. 20 plus 5 times 20 plus 4, 20 times 20 and 20 times 4, 5 times 20, 5 times 4. The results. The result will be 600. Marla wants us to buy a new tablet that costs $565 including tax. She saved $15 per week for 30 weeks. Does Marla have enough money saved to pay the tablet or not? First, we can find the number of money with her. 15 times 30. Write 0 and 3 times 15 equal 45. This number with her, so this number nearest to 565. Okay, nearest to this number, but the number she wants extra dollar to get the tablet because the price of the tablet it will be 565. So the money with her must be more than 565 or equal to. Question 15. Higher order thinking, which cost is less. 15 oranges that cost 29 cents each, or 17 apples that cost 25 cents each. We can write the number 13 orange costs 48 cents less than 17 apple because we can product two numbers. So 13 product 29 and also 17 times 25 and then comparing between them. Okay, you can product two numbers here. 13 product by 29 and you can combine the answer between 17 apples. The cost of each one equal 25 cents. Look at here. 3 times 9 equal 27. 7 and the carry up 2. 1 times 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Last one, raise 0. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1 equal 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 times 7, 35. Write 5 and the carry up 3. 1 times 5, 5 plus 3 equal 8. Plus and raise 0. 2 times 17 equals 34. And then 8 together. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So the gets value about first or second less is more. Okay, then 13 orange costs 48 cent less than 17 apple. Understood? We can find the difference between them right here. 429.5 subtracted by 377. 15 minus 7 we become 1. 15 minus 7 equal 8 and 11 minus 7 equal 4. Then the difference between them equal 48. Then 13 oranges costs 48 cents less than 17 apples. Assessment practice. Select all the larger product 19 times 26. We can raise the answer here. Look at the answer. We know 19 equal 10 plus 9. Product by this number 26 equal 20 plus 6. And then we can use distributive properties. 20 times 10 equal 200. 10 times 6 equals 60. 9 times 20 raise 0. 2 times 9 18. 9 times 6 equal 54. Okay. And also 35 times 12 using also like this method using distributive properties. Do you know? We have 35 equals 30 plus 5. 12 equal 10 plus 2. 30 times 10 and 30 times 2. 5 times 10. 5 times 2. Good. Or you can use also 35 reduced by 10 plus 2. Understood? We have extra method. Choose 1 and 2 and third method. We have fourth method here. Third method, okay?